I could lay say see the people ki paralog non pay jong kan ka channel ethos talks hakini ki tayo bala dep ngai prakhat ba kan bha bala long ka bala bangin ai ki program ka jongi man ka tayo kata ka long man ka sngi nengkong jong ka tayo teken mau ba phin pay ki video ki jongi man ka sngi nengkong jong ka tayo ba karman ba khnyo ru ya ki jing man toy ya ki jing kar khu lengba jong ka video Phla pen su thu ba ka jing thmu jong i kum ka channel kam long tang ban ai ya ka jing tip ya phi hare ba kan wan ra ya ka jing kala ya ka jing su thu ha ka jing em ka jong i shimet ba ka ban ya ra pro ya ngi ya ka jing san jong i kum ke ha ka jong long brio ka jong i ba kum jo ru ha ka jing nge jong i shimet tong ya pai ya ka ni ke video Kapang ka bangin ya keren hagan ka por ka long shapang ka jing em jong u Justin Bieber. Let's say dan playing jong pi pat tip shapang une u Justin Bieber une ude unong ruai ba paunam ba ha ka prathai barakoi. Let's say na gitu ki riu e jing ruai. Let's say dan mano ru ki ba pat tip shapang jong u Justin Bieber. Number ba nadu karta ka ba khat ar ulal paunam ha ka ni ka prathai. Ude na ka ri Canada but ka jing ruai ki jong u kila yo iki award kiba sikit ba hakane ka prathai phi gane ka jingkio rasong kasan khamtam hakarata ka ba dang ret kapan gulo mari ka jingbor ka jong u Justin hado ba ula gulo mar ka jing em ka jong u ba ula poi hado ki ba la long palat ya ka ain ru ba ka jing gulo mar ka jing em ka jong u hoi ngala wan ra hani ka por ya ka video ka ba uhi ukren but ginya phliu jingmot ba ginya tainia halor jong kane ka video ba kumno kane ka video ka jingkran ka jong u ka ayangi ka jing hikai
I just didn't know what the heck was going on, and so I really took a deep dive in my faith, to be honest. I just went deep into I believed in Jesus, but I never really when it says following Jesus is actually turning away from sin. And
kalong ka ba sotanat ban prakhat ba u Justin Bieber ba juruai ki ba paunam ha ka ni ka prathai u ong ba ulong u bangai ha u Jesus Christ tang ba ka jingai ke jong upat kam long ka ba paka wala jangai no na u Jesus Christ ha ka jing em ka jong u tong ya pa chu shakmat.
So there's no what it talks about in the Bible. It's there's no obedience. There's no faith without obedience. So it's I had faith about I believe Jesus died on the cross for me, but
uang kumno u Justin Bieber hangne uang ba ngadon ka jinget haneng amdon ka jing ko ngo kataro kolong ka jing shisha ba bonsing idon ka jinget haneng imdon ka jing ko ngo kumba u jisu hi uang ba wat kiksoidru ki nget ha oblay ki nget bodon oblay hanre pat kim ko ngo ya oblay to nge pe chu shakmat ka ba Justin Bieber uang
never really implemented it into my life. I never was I'm gonna be obedient.
So when did you decide to actually move within the guidelines, and how did you find yourself away from, I believe in Jesus, but I'm gonna drink or do drugs or sleep around or all these other distractions? How did you get out of that world? What was the turning point for you?
I think it was my perception.
Hangdeu la keliu ni nong keliu ong ba phila ya shipon ki jing ha ka jing em nado ka drugs nado ba shakem but kiwai ki jing ki ba phi ya ling ba te kumno phi ya khoni ek to ki jing to ya snap ka jubab jong Justin
of who Jesus really was, I had really bad examples of Christians in my life who would say one thing and do another. So they were my direct example of who Jesus was.
Te kabanang kong ay hangniu ang ba nga poi sik tu ki jing sneu namar balay namar mga wadi ka jing baha nga wadi ka nuksa hapreng jong ki Kristan hanay ngam shmiyo. Kalong ka ka ba sosi ba u Justin Bieber ang ba nga wadi ka nuksa ka ba baha nakiparlok Kristan ringam shimyo satya yakum kita kinuksa teng ru ka im ka jong imo ladang yiwat ya kibri hitingan ong ba ngenum yo hoi hateng ki don kibri ki balong ka jing kerkhu ya ka jing im ka jongi ngala ya mat sibul kibrio ha ka jing im ka jonga ki balong ka jing kerkhu ya ka jing im ka jonga hanai pat teng ka long ru ka jing long brio bangi khmi lenti ya kibrio mo bakin long ka nuksa yangi harengan ong ya phi ba ka nuksa ka ba hatam hi deitang bagi pe show le ko ba ong mo ka pa show jisu langi thai pa ban em pet ban em tong ya pet shu hang ne ong kum no shu Justin
Or you didn't
Bieber
take it seriously.
I didn't take it as seriously because I didn't have good examples.
Good role models.
Yeah. The way I look at my relationship with God and with Jesus is I'm not trying to earn God's love, but
kabasonar shu hang ne ong Justin Bieber ong habanga phai sho oblei pat ong ha sung tho ba ngam don kam ban kamai ga jing et ke jong blei ong ngam don kam ban da khro ya ga jing et ke jong blei namar oblei ula et yo pa yangi ula et yo pa yanga hado kata tong ya pet shu ong kum no
by doing good things. God has already loved me for who I am before I did anything to earn and deserve it. It's a free gift by accepting Jesus and just giving your life to Him. And what He did is the gift. The forgiveness is the thing that we look at and, I'm going to worship you, God, because you gave me something so
hang ne wok ba ayo mat lo pai kata jing et ke jong blei ling ba jong ka Jesus Christ balong u khon jong blei u bala wan sha ka ne ka perthai bar ong u ne Justin Bieber ba ngam dan kam ru ba ngadan kam tang bangan supan map na u ngan chu wan show u da ka not baro bangan pan map na u ne u blei u ba et yanga lo pa hado kata ulong u pa jong i u ba kwa engi bangin phai show u barobor komba ulong khon sang oria wan shalau kpa rengkat bar ki pop ki jong o rengkat bar ki jing bakala ki jing duna ki jong o to ya pe shu ikane video
good.
Do you think that if you hadn't redefined what Jesus was and reclaimed it into something that was worthy of practice for you, which then led you on a path of reconciliation with your wife, do you think the person that the you of then was on a path of self-destruction? Do you feel that you were on a
hang leu nong kali shapang ka jing em ka jong u Justin Bieber kham tam ha ka jing de ka jong u bat ki wai kham tam ha ka jing de yong u bat ka lok ka jong u lai sham shibon ki jing e hado ba kila ya khlat lok kalawan ra shibon ki jing kulma namar ka jing em ka jong u ka bau la em hakikam jong ka ne ka prathai tong ya pe kumno u jubab u Justin
was self-destructing?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I would have, for sure. 100%. Yeah. I don't know if I'd be alive, for sure. It was dark.
Justin Bieber hang leu ong kalong ka basusi adu kata kalong bau ong ba ngam tip langan ha ki por ki bangan don happening jong ka jingdom langan emne ngan yap sangap kat uta u Justin Bieber u new Justin Bieber wala ba por bala paunam kaleng ka perthai ulong u child idol ki ong hat ka por manta u new Justin Bieber udan ar pun news nam karta henry u Justin ula ya isi por ki jing e bar wang ngam tip langan emne ngan yap ngan emne ngan yap bosen ni ya shibon gijing ya kum kini tong ya pe ong kum no
Really dark. So I'm very, very grateful to have influences in my life that have played a huge part in me seeing their relationship with Jesus and their relationship with their wives and their relationship with their kids and saying that's what I want.
u Justin mo bala pauna baru ka puai ka prathairu ulang utau hero jo ki babon ki khana samla hre hawa ya ki jing e wang ba ngas thu ka ban kong e ka long ba ngaron kam ga jing e dai bar ublei ngaron kam ga jing e dai bar ka lok ka jonga ngaron kam ga jing e dai bar ki khon kata de wang ba ka jong bri bo jongi ni dan kam ya kata ki parlok bon sen da la paunam dala riuspa dala long he long hain bo sen ni klet no iklet do ya ki ba hayeng bat sem ga jong iklet do ya ki what you blade do iklet no hatu kam ne kata ka jing shisha
Jesus wasn't this religious elite guy that came to, but he was in the dirt, and he found me in my dirt and pulled me out. Like I said before.
Kabasot na hang ni bagabakta aru ikamsiem kalong ba u Justin uang ba u Jisu umlong tang tau reuniam Henry u penjaklia ya lo kikti penjaklia kumno ukta ay kitu ki bapang yang lengkot nang ta upen khia ay kitu ki bapang misnam nang ta ule kumno u Jisu ule chiki ki brio ki ba ke parthai ko ong ba kilong ki bapo Henry u Jisu usu tho ya kata but ong u Justin ba u ne u Jisu ula khlong yanga nakane ka ahor ula khlong yanga nakane ka jing jaklia jong im ga jonga banga balong kumne komangalong menta
I'm a Jesus follower, and I just want to be led by, when you accept Jesus, he says that now you walk with the Holy Spirit. So I think I just want to be led by by the Holy Spirit.
Hi kat uni u Justin u bala pau nam ha ka perthei re usu thu man tau ong ba dei u Jesus Christ u bala ban pen thamai ya ka jing em ka jonga ba nak kwa ba mun sim ba khoi nya ram yanga ha ka jing em ka jonga ba ngalong ru unong bot jong u Jesus Christ sangap kat kata ka jing kan tho ka ba ai phang ka jing em jong u ba ngalong unong bot jong u Jesus Christ to yin pe chu khama.
We're not really good at the end of the day. At the core, I don't believe humans are good, and people might, twist this and make me seem like I'm saying humanity's not good. I don't know.
Tell you the truth.
I just feel like at the core, I fight every day temptation and things that, are instinctive to do, whether it's, whatever it is, lie, be greedy, all these things that just naturally come. Those naturally come. I gotta fight.
Hang leo ong shuh u Justin ong ba bosen ki brio ki laban ong ba nga ngari brio bastio hendrai kadai ke jing shisha ong ba ngalong tang no pop ngalong brio bastio an shipon ki jing pen shoi ba hala kasni ngam tre ban kam mele de ba ngalong ba bha na ta ka dau ong ba na don kam ya ublei ke jing ka jonga ngadon kam yo Jesus Christ ha ke jing em ka jonga
Fight to not be that. Maybe humanity's, it's come to a place of being really, it's broken. I mean, just look around. I mean, the pain in this world, it's just so, it's obvious.
Wong ba ka jinglong brio kalong ka ba pat ka ba pra kalong ka ba dak da ke jing du jing kermen suda ha ka jing em wong le tang jing em ka jonga hare ong ka jing em jong phiru ka jing em jong i wai kalong ha ka ne ka dor.
This world, it's just so, it's obvious, and people are looking for hope.
But what ki brio ki wat ya kata ka jing kermen jong ka jing em ki du ya ka jing kermen ha ka jing em ka jong ki kani ka pen perkhat yang ni na mar balai ba gi phabangi i ya o Justin ba ruai pau nam ba u kamai ka pisagi perkhat ba ula biang dot ngai em uang ba ngalong tang unong pop ba don ka jing duna sudah.
And they're looking for a way out, and they're looking for an escape, and they're looking for truth, and they're looking for...
Pi uang ba ni wai po yu brio wat ya ka banlait na ki jisniu baro banlait na ki jing jar ka bangi ni ai dang ba ni wat ya kata ka jing kerman ka ba thamai ni wat ya jing palait em ka ba thamai
for and I'm just I've gotten the opportunity with my journey to just see a God who accepts me, loves me.
Wang bang nga ai ngui ublei na bang la yo ene ka bu ba ublei bang yo ublei ba kren yanga uba yalam yanga uba khot yanga ha ka ne ka jing em ka bang la yat sakama hadu menta.
They call him the Savior, and I believe that to be true, that Jesus saved me.
Wang ba ude u Jisu uba la map yanga ba ulapan em yanga bangala banlong kumne bangalong menta tapi pe jaga ga jing em jong u Justin Bieber ya ka ba menshua ba ka ba menta pi ga dan shibon ga jing ya phe hare ha ga long bre uang ba nang ya khun mana yat nan poi shakathong nan serim yo Jisu ha ga jing em ga jonga kani ka long ka khubor ya gini ki ba bon ki ba sngap ha ga ka por nan ong ya phi ki khana samla kham karpang e wat prakhat ba phla yo ka jing sobha phla yo ka pissa phla yo ka dur ka dar ka ba bhabrio phla yo ka rinyang ka ba biang phla yo jan kinap ki ba biang na rong shadong ba phila biang lot em nong phi ko ma khtien jong blai ka ong ba ko samla to le ka man ha jong samla jong me ha kan mau ba blai on sabisharia me angai ba ka ne ka de ka jing kran jong Justin kawan ra ya ka jing prakhat apo jong ni dan pleng jong phi le se phim so ya ha phila ba dong o ka kam kai mo let's say Phla wanong kam dei ka ba shisha ringan ong yo phi paralo to pe ya la jong ka jing em prakhat ke ya la jong ka jing em na ma shisen ka smite ngin hab lai dang ne ka prathai ngam ong bangan pieng phi dei ka ta ka long ka jing shisha bangin hab ban lai na ka ne ka prathai rai ka bangin ang emru to ai ken ba ka ne ka prathai ka ba phi em kan long ka baneng ngam ong ba ha ba phi la pediang yo Jesus Christ phi la ka la ba mot phin shulong ba mo ki ong long sin ngam ong ban long ta Hingga orang ya pi berkat ke jing ka jong pi bat yat hagalti ka boblei u ibet ya pi